Hi, I'm Ty Steinbrecher, Tech Service Manager at Boss Snowplow. The Boss Tech Service team is here to back you up. Today we're going to talk about how to install the carry trays onto the Snowrator unit. Carry trays are a great tool to have, as it ensures you have room for extra gear or additional de-icing material to get the job done successfully. Before you get started on this install, make sure you have the proper parts and tools necessary to get the job done. Now, let's get to work. Start out with the pro tip here. Best way to lift the Snowrator off the ground to remove the tires, use a pallet jack. Next step is to remove the wheels from each side. Repeat this process on the other side. Removal of the battery is not necessary, but was done so to show access to the two bolts below the battery tray. Remove the two nuts holding the battery tray in place. Slide the carry tray support bracket through the fender slot and over the two existing bolts. Secure to the machine using the fasteners for the battery tray. Install the vertical bracket to the carry tray support bracket using 3 5/16 inch bolts and flange nuts on top and 2 3/8 inch bolts and flange nuts on the bottom. Install the container box onto the support bracket using 4 3/8 inch bolts and flange nuts. Repeat this process on the other side. Torque all 3/8 inch bolts to 20 foot-pounds and all 5/16 inch bolts to 11 foot-pounds. Reinstall the tire and torque the lug nuts in a cross pattern to 75 foot-pounds. We hope you found this video helpful today. If you have any questions, please contact the Boss Tech Service Team. We're here to back you up. Shop any other genuine Boss attachments for the Snowrator at bossplow.com.